Are you totally new to this hobby? Okay, this will impress you with the high quality. This solid wood beehive is designed for beekeepers, creating a secure home for their bees. The beehive is beautifully crafted from cedar and pine wood. The exterior is moisture-proof and corrosion-proof, and the interior is flexible and breathable. Get ready to enjoy beekeeping. This amazing hive comes with metal top cover, inner cover, 10-frame medium honey super, 10-frame deep brood box, queen excluder, entrance reducer, solid bottom plate, window ceiling baffle, other accessories, screws, bolts, handles. This beehive treated with 100% wax dipping instead of wax coating. Due to the influence of gravity during the wax solidification process, the wax of the frame will be uneven, which is a normal phenomenon. Get it now on vever.com with nice discount. Link of buying is in the first comment below.